What you are, the world is. And without your transformation, there can be no transformation of the world. The function of education is to help you from childhood, not to imitate anybody, but be yourself, all the time. There can only be a relationship between human beings when we accept what is, not what should be. Most people like to live in illusions. Transformation can only take place immediately. The revolution is now, not tomorrow. Those who play a safe game die very safely. Where there is love, do what you will, it will be right action. It will never bring conflict to one's life. In the flame of love, all fear is consumed. To be absolutely nothing is to be beyond measure. The primary cause of disorder in ourselves is the seeking of reality promised by another. Your belief in God is merely an escape from your monotonous, stupid, and cruel life. Relationship is a mirror in which you can see yourself, not as you would wish to be, but as you are. The word innocence means a mind that is incapable of being hurt. In awareness, there is no becoming, there is no end to be gained. There is silent observation, without choice and condemnation, from which there comes understanding. Most people are unhappy, and they are unhappy because there is no love in their hearts. Put away the book, the description, the tradition, the authority, and take the journey of self-discovery. The unknown is not measurable by the known. Time cannot measure the timeless. The eternal, that immensity which has no beginning and no end. When we try to measure something which is not measurable, we only get caught in words.